channel.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn sound. To learn Jolly Phonics better, I request you to watch all the videos in the playlist. Let's proceed with the story. Mrs. Morris and her son Marvin have invited his friends, Millie and Molly, for supper. The children are playing outside when they hear the call for supper. They all come inside, wash their hands, and sit down at the table. I am hungry, says Marvin, rubbing his tummy. I hope it's spaghetti and meatballs. I hope it's hot dogs. Says Molly. I hope it's hamburgers, says Millie, rubbing her tummy. Then Mrs. Morris comes in, carrying a steamed dish. Lamb and peas, say the children. I like that meal most of all, says Marvin.
Meal. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Words with sound. At, mat, mat. Man, man. App, map, map. Ram, ram. Him, him. Men, men. Hem, hem. Ham, ham. Rim, rim. Sam, sam.
Thank you for watching.